Here we have the Vauxhall Adam 1.4 Glam on a 16 plate. I'm going to show you around the outside of the car first of all, and then we'll hop in and I'll run through a few controls on the inside. But as you'll see from the outside, it's a 3-door car with alloy wheels. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. You'll see as we approach the back of the car, we've got reversing sensors, a 50-50 split folding rear seat, and a very deep boot, so a lot bigger than you might think from the external proportions of this car. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car now, and then I'll hop in and run through some controls. But now that we've done a full circle of the car, you can see that it's in fantastic condition the whole way round. So just before I jump in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. As you can see, the seats are in fantastic condition. There's plenty to run from the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, so we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we've got the rev counter and oil temperature gauge, and on the right-hand side, the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the middle, we've got a trip computer. The information that's displayed up there can be changed using the controls on the indicator stalk. And you'll see at the bottom of that section, the total miles on this car are 12,833. We're back out to steering wheel. We've got controls over here for cruise control, and then this side for the stereo controls and voice activation for the phone once you've paired it, which is done over on this central screen here. So if we hit the home button, that's the main menu. All of this then becomes touchscreen. So audio, for example, is where you can change the source of the music that you listen to. So it's a bit hard to see with the sun shining on it where it is, but you've got FM radio, AM radio, DAB digital, 2 USB imports, and then a Bluetooth audio selection down in the bottom corner here. So once you pair up your phone, not only can you make and receive phone calls, but you can stream music wirelessly via Bluetooth as well. Then the phone is set up by hitting the phone section there. Projection, if you've got a smartphone and you connect it up via the USB, there are a few apps that are kind of Vauxhall friendly that can then be displayed up on this screen here. So really fantastic system. You've got a city button, which makes the steering a bit lighter for parking. And over this side, you've got the ability to turn off or on the parking sensors and lock the car doors from the outside. And then the stereo controls for volume, etc. are all in the middle here. Beneath that, we've got the climate control for the car. So you can adjust the temperature here, and the adjustment itself is shown up in the top left corner of the main screen there. So once you're happy with the temperature, you can then adjust the fan speed with this dial. You can see this will illuminate to tell me I've just turned it on. And I can make it warmer or colder, and it will show me in there that I've done that. And then over this side, the direction of the air. So very, very easy. You can hit auto should you wish to. Hitting auto will mean that the car will maintain whatever temperature you've asked for in this box without you having to adjust the fan speed yourself. And then beneath that, we've got USB, so for connecting up a musical device, and a 12-volt charging socket, and then the 5-speed manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.